and is simple to operate. Workers only need to mark the two ends of the defect, and the machine can automatically identify and cut. Easy and safe. The equipment is used to open the short wood strips, so workers only need to load the material. Featuring automatic alignment, sawing, transmission, and gluing, make it an efficient, fast, labor-saving, and stable operation. The depth of the saw teeth can flexibly adjusted to meet the various needs of customers. After the cutting, it is necessary to connect the teeth, and the wood after the cutting is put into the feed frame of the machine. The machine can automatically and quickly lengthen and cut off according to the required size. After a few hours of placement, the long wood strips that have been fingered must be planed on all sides and polished to prepare for the board. The full automatic wooden board jointing machine has the most advanced level of automation. Only one worker can be used for the entire operation. The machine is equipped with automatic gluing machine, which can apply glue evenly. It can automatically turn over, extrude, cut edges, heat and dry, and the plates can be arranged very neatly. The high-performance hydraulic station is also stable and full of power. Cylinder press is easy to replace plates of different thickness. One-click operation, convenient and simple. The cut wood is automatically palletized. The whole process saves labor, and the daily output can reach 600 plates. The whole process of this automatic sanding machine line does not require manual work, and the material can be automatically pushed by the manipulator. A sander then planes the wood. The planed wood is transported to the palletizer to finish sanding.